Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about attaching a Google Doc to an email. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the share button. And then if you want to name it something, you can. But we're going to go ahead and select where it says copy link. Again, underneath general access, make sure that it is anyone with a link can access it. And if you want them to be able to comment or edit on it, they can make that selection as well. Select done. And then you want to go to your email. At this point, go ahead and just right click in the email body and paste it in, or tap Control V to paste it in like that as well. Alternatively, you can also select the little Google Drive icon. This is insert files using Drive. And you can actually attach the document this way as well, and then select insert. So it's actually embedded into the email itself. So a couple different options there that you can do. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.